Okay. Hi, Sandeep. Can you please quickly introduce yourself?
Sir, my name is Sandeep Chavan. I basically from Dhule, but currently staying in Pune. And I did my graduation in BCA in North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. And also I current pursuing an MCA in Pune University in IMCC College. And also I know about my technical knowledge. I learn it HTML, Java, and also MySQL. And about my goal, I, sh- my short term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and also my long term goal is to get a good position can when can I career when I build my career and also help to the organization. And my hobbies are uh, watching a movie and playing a kabaddi. That's it.
Okay. And which was the final year project you did in BCA last year?
Sir, online movie booking system,
Online, online
movie booking system.
movie booking system. Okay. So which technologies you have used in movie booking system?
So I have used a front end in a PHP and backend is MySQL, and also use HTML and create the form and other
Okay.
things.
And what was your role in the project? Are you front-end developer or back-end developer or both?
So I have four members and divide in parts. My mm, my my purpose is to create a web pages, web forms, and
Okay.
my other members to connect to the connectivity MySQL,
Okay.
and then done the project.
So can you list me the five elements of HTML which was required? Any two or any elements which was required to create the form?
Sir, firstly the HTML tags. I use the tags just
Mhm.
like HTML head, title, and also body, and attached to the website sense, also other anchor tags, and also sir formatically design and bold, italic, underline also in a body, and design to the color also. That's it.
Okay. And when you take the data in the form, how will you import it to the database from the HTML? So
Sir,
which tags you have used, which element you have, what changes you will make so that you can import that form data into the database from HTML. For example,
what
you have
sir? Can
created
you repeat?
For example, you have created the form in HTML, okay, and you are
Yes.
accepting the name, roll number, and address, okay. So now I have entered my role, name, and address in my HTML page. Now your task is to import that data to the database. So how will you connect this HTML and PHP both together?
Sir, firstly I check it in my form which is
Hmm.
required, and then my data in the my database I also create new or also edit the form, and also validation check it, and then implement also sir.
Okay. Okay. So do you know about object-oriented programming?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Java is also object oriented programming language in a part of a object class encapsulation polymorphism, and also in items
Okay.
is a
And which programming
example of
knowledge?
object oriented programming.
Okay. And which programming knowledge you
Yes
know,
sir.
programming language you know, uh, beside HTML and CSS and web development programming?
And also MySQL.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. So tell me the benefits of OOPS. Tell me the features of the OOPS.
Features of the object and polymorphism and also encapsulation. Sir, firstly, class and object is a real-time entity when used in a program. Then class are the collection of objects is called as class. And polymorphism means the polymorphism is example of example of function overloading. And sir, firstly there are two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is function overloading example of, and the runtime polymorphism function overriding. And the function overriding means the function with same name but different parameter. It's called as a follow. And also, sir, a function overriding, the function with same name with same parameter called a function overriding. And we use the sir multiple methods, easy to code that. And also the sorry, just I the velocity to class is called inheritance. And also there are five types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and
Okay, fine.
multi-level inheritance.
Okay. So can you explain what is data encapsulation in OOPS?
Questions.
Hello, Sandeep. Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, sir. I cannot remind, sir.
Okay, okay,
Take your-
okay, fine. Okay, Nilesh, over to you.
Sandeep, can you tell me Java is purely object-oriented language or not?
Sir, Java is not a purely object-oriented programming language because sir, it is not used to always primitive data type. Also integer, float, character, bit, byte.
Is this the reason?
That's it. Sir, reason primitive data type is not always used, sir. I think.
Okay, okay. Can you explain me? Does Java support multiple inheritance?
What, sir?
Does Java supports multiple inheritance?
Sir, Java does not support multiple inheritance because uh, two function, two functions, the the same two function not to mention declare in the one single class. Because and when use it in interface also, then interface, sir.
Give me precise answer. Why Java does not support multiple inheritance? Single word answer.
Because the multiple inheritance is not to allowed in. Firstly, sir, multiple inheritance because we can say that the function with the same two functions not to declare in a program, sir, in a single class.
But why? We can declare now. But what is the reason behind that? Why
Because
we?
the override, because override, sir, is not executed.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, okay, great. Tell me about your strengths and weaknesses. Two strengths and two weaknesses.
Sir, my strength is learn a new things, new ideas, anywhere and anytime. I always prepare, sir, and I have don't weaknesses
You don't have weaknesses.
because sir, I don't say sir weaknesses. I don't say anything any to my weaknesses
Okay.
because sir, my weakness is my power.
Your weakness is your power. So there must be some weakness, no? Which is your power. Can you tell me what is that weakness?
I inspire to sell my weaknesses also.
Yeah, that's fine, but
Then
there
sir,
must be one weakness, no? Which is that
I sir
weakness?
little weaknesses.
Yeah, can you tell me?
Like I always believe in every person easily too.
Okay, is it weakness?
Yes, sir. Because sir is my passion.
Yeah, it's your weakness, no, that you believe in each and every person, right? But
Sir,
how?
he is my weakness. Sir, he is my weakness. Also, he is my strength also. And my behavior is normal, loyally. Then I also easily believe in other person.